Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Elon from J&R Marketing, and today we're going to be talking about a super important step for any local business, setting up your Google business profile. If you're a small business owner, or even if you've been around for a while, but you're not sure if your profile is active, then this video is for you. Your Google business profile helps you show up when people search for services you offer, especially locally. It's how you get found on Google Maps, how your contact info appears in searches, and honestly, it builds trust before anyone even clicks on your website. Your Google business profile is like your digital front door. It gives people your hours, services, photos, reviews, all the essentials. And without it, you're missing out on easy visibility, especially in local searches. For example, if someone searches screen printing near me or marketing agency in Rhode Island, businesses with fully set up Google profiles are going to show up first. Plus, it helps with reviews, directions, website visits, and even phone calls directly from search. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first step is to go to business.google.com, and this will be linked below in the description. You just want to make sure you're signed into the correct Google account that you want to make your Google business profile with. And so once you're here, you're just going to press Get Started. So now we're going to put our business name, and you can either claim an existing listing or start one from scratch. So that's what we're going to do. So now you're just going to select your business type. So there's online retail, local stores, and service businesses. And keep in mind that you can also select multiple. Let's say you have a dog food business and you sell dog food at a local brick and mortar store, but you also sell online, then you'd select both of these. And then service businesses, pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just gonna put this for now. So now you're gonna put your business category, and this is really important because it tells Google what kind of searches to show your business for. And if you're not sure, just start typing and Google will give you some options. So let's say I'm doing a construction company. So I literally just put construction, right? Or let's say I'm doing home remodeling, but it doesn't show up. So another term for that would be general contractor. And then I put that. So just use the category that you think fits your business the closest. So I'm just gonna put construction company for now. Now it's gonna ask you where you serve your customers, and this is optional. However, I would recommend you do this even if you don't have a brick and mortar physical location. So you're a service-based business, I would still put the areas that you kind of service. So let's say you serve all of the Rhode Island area. And so let's say you also serve a little bit in Massachusetts. So you serve, let's say, Fall River. So you can also put specific cities as well. Let's say instead of Rhode Island, you only serve the Providence area. You can also do that as well, right? And so just select all the areas that your business service. So I'm just going to do Rhode Island. Now it's going to ask you what contact details do you want to show to customers. So just make sure to put the correct phone number. I'm just going to put in a random one. And also make sure to double check that this information is correct so you don't have to go back and fix it later. Now it's going to ask for your website. Just put whatever it is. And again, check for typos. So I'm just going to put abc.com. So I was going to ask you if you want to get news and tips about how to improve your business profile. You can do this if you want. It's not necessary. And it's also going to ask you if you want to participate in occasional surveys. Again, totally optional. So either check it or not. It's up to you. So now it's going to ask you to verify some of your information. So just go along with the prompts, and it's going to ask you stuff about your address, your phone number, things along those lines. So just fill it out, follow the prompts, and then go on to the next section. Now it's going to ask for your services. And again, this is very important because it tells Google what to show your business for. And so it's going to show you a big list here. So as you can see, and you're just going to select whatever ones apply. So let's say I do, building, I do bathroom remodels, I do concrete pouring, just select all that apply. And if you can't find one that fits your business, you want to scroll down to the bottom and select add custom service. And so let's say I do gutters as well, right? And it didn't show up. So I just select that, gutter cleaning. And that'll automatically be selected. So after you've added all of the appropriate services, just go on to the next page. This is where you can add your business hours, pretty self-explanatory. And if you don't have any, you can just skip this. So now it's going to ask you for a short business description. So just write a short blurb about who you serve, what you do, things like that. And so here I have an example one for a construction company. It says, reliable full-service construction company specializing in residential and commercial projects. From renovations to new builds, we deliver quality craftsmanship, on-time completion, and exceptional service every step of the way. So just something short, simple that explains what you do, who you serve, and other benefits of working with you. Now it's going to ask you for some photos of your business, and I believe this is a very important step because it gives a visual preview to your customers about what your business is like before they've even worked with you. You don't need a crazy amount, you just need a few quality, clear photos of your work, your team, maybe the end product of whatever service you offer, maybe a few product photos, anything that kind of conveys or shows what your business does. And you want to make sure your photos are clear, they have good lighting, just like these example photos here. And so after you've added some photos, you're completely finished. Now it's just going to offer you a few things like some advertising credits and a custom email address if you don't already have that. We're going to skip this for now. If you haven't verified your information already, make sure to get that done, as Google will not showcase your business profile unless you get verified. And so that's it. Your Google business profile is completely set up, and you can always go back and edit things, change things. And as long as you keep it updated, you'll see how much it helps your local visibility. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more marketing tips like this every week.